Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an icon transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click Picture drop down menu and click this device. Now go to your icon file location. Now select this icon and insert it. Now you can see I insert a women icon. Now I make background transparent this icon. Please select this icon and go to picture format. Now remove background. Now select this tick and keep changes. Now you can see I make this icon transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.